Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick tutorial today to show you how to get admin commands in 99 Nights in the Forest. This is the quickest and easiest method to go ahead and get admin commands right now, allowing you to use the admin panel. And this uses a secret 99 Nights in the Forest code, guys, so everyone can do this. Takes just a few minutes of your time, and it is going to give you all of the admin commands. So before I show you guys how to go ahead and do this, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome 99 Nights in the Forest tutorials. So yeah, let's get into the video, guys, and show you how to get admin commands in 99 Nights in the Forest Roblox. So as you can see, guys, you need to use your mobile phone internet browser. I'm doing this on iPhone. You can do this on Android as well, so it works on all platforms. And you need to basically head on over to this website, www.coldcoupons.com. So just type it exactly like this, guys, cold coupons, and it's going to bring you to this website here. And on this website they have loads of different codes. As you can see, they don't only have 99 Nights in the Forest, they have codes for pretty much anything you can imagine. So you've just got to type in there 99 Nights in the Forest Roblox. And this is the secret admin codes page here, guys. They have a bunch of different codes, so go ahead and scroll down. And you need to find the admin commands code. So this is a 99 Nights in the Forest code for the admin commands panel. And like I said, guys, this is just a simple code that you enter into the website, into your game, sorry, and it's going to unlock the admin commands panel for completely free. So this is the easiest and quickest method, guys. So as you can see, your admin commands secret code is locked and hidden. You need to unlock your code, guys, and these are limited codes. So basically this prevents people from stealing all of the available admin codes. So go ahead and click on get full code, and you need to follow the instructions on this page to unlock your code. It's going to take you a few minutes, guys. Just follow the instructions, complete 2 of the free offers below. Now, these offers sponsor Cold Coupons, and that's how they can supply these awesome codes to us. So as you can see, these are simple things like installing and opening mobile applications, playing mobile games. Really easy, guys. So just go ahead, complete 2 of those. And if you complete 2 of those, following all of the instructions, it will basically redirect you back to this page on Cold Coupons, and your 99 Nights in the Forest admin commands code will be fully revealed, and you can redeem it in game. And that is how to get admin commands in 99 Nights in the Forest, guys. So super simple. Head on over to Cold Coupons. If you need any help getting your admin commands panel, let me know in the comment section. I can help out. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.